So how do you use the family sharing on iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss explanations and videos like this one. Okay, so the family sharing is not attached to specific devices, but to specific accounts, right? So you may be using the same Apple account on both your iPhone as well as iPad, and you only need to set it up once for that account, and it doesn't matter which device you use, right? But the whole point is that you can find it when you tap on your profile, and you can see we've got the family right here, and you can see what's really going on. So you can see the other members, and with that, you have access to the subscriptions or some other products which are supported on the family sharing. The only thing with that you should know is that the organizer of the group has to add you, right? So in this case, it would be me, right? So this account, which is the organizer, has to open up the family sharing like that. And the organizer, again, will have a plus button in the top right corner, which you can use to like add new people, right? So again, you're not like adding specific devices, but you're adding specific accounts. So you can add some people or invite them from your messages, or however you can access them. You can just share it with them. And if they if they accept the invite, then they are going to be part of your family sharing. And it doesn't matter if you use iPad or if they use iPad, right? It works the same way on all Apple devices. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up. In case of any specific questions, leave them below as well. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.